Hello everyone, in this video I will show you that how you can use the VPN in any Android phone. For this you have to click App Store. After clicking App Store you can click on search icon. Now here you can type VPN. Now click on this search button. After that you can see this VPN super unlimited proxy. You have to install it. After installing it, now you can go back to home. After that you find this VPN. After clicking on this VPN, here is a add sorry for that. Now you can click on the location. After clicking on the location, there are a lot of the proxy servers which gives free. Now you can go for premium if you want. Now I recommend that you can use the free VPN. Now here use this specific location. After choosing the specific location, now it automatically connecting. After connecting, no, I have to skip this ad. Now you can go back and see the icon of VPN, which means that it is successfully connected with the server. Thanks you for watching this video. Hope you like it. If you like it, please make sure that you have to subscribe.